Hi Curious and welcome back. It is nothing new that the star of Keeping Up with the Kardashians has long had her eyes on the career in law, and right now the internet is on fire with the pleas on gossip regarding Kim Kardashian being a part of Britney Spears' legal defense to help in her fight for freedom to end her conservatorship. But is it really possible? For a while, Kim Kardashian has been completely silent about the Free Britney movement, but now has finally broken the silence. So could it be that Kim could be involved in one of the most talked about and controversial cases in the US, just like her father was involved in the O.J. Simpson case? Are the two women complete strangers to each other, or do they know each other in one way or another? Has the Princess of Pop accepted the help of the reality star? Make sure to stay with us until the very end to find out all about this latest gossip regarding Britney, but before we continue, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, turn on the notifications, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our future videos. Right now, it could be said that the fans of both these famous ladies are in somewhat of an unstoppable frenzy right now, and that is all because Kardashian is studying to become a lawyer, though that doesn't limit her from continuing to practice and use her notable influence in the defense of the pop princess. Now, more than a few fans had pointed out that she would be the right person to join in on Spears' legal team and help the singer with her fight to freedom and make decisions about her own life. And obviously, this is all amidst an already complicated court battle against her father Jamie, who has been acting as her conservator. Though if you want to know more about how things are going with regards to the case, what was said and how Britney's own family have reacted, you can be sure to check out our playlist dedicated to the singer, and one which you can view by clicking on the link above. But for now, make sure to stay with us to find out if Kim will help Britney. It is indisputable just how much influence and fame in the entertainment world Kim Kardashian has. Almost everything she touches or promotes becomes money, and without a doubt, helping Britney's case would, in turn, help get her foot in the door of the law career, in addition to the contributions that she has made to help prisoners, of course with the support of experts in the field. It is also worth pointing out that to a certain degree the two ladies were, or maybe even still are, friends. Here we'll remind you that Kim was an assistant to Paris Hilton, so back in those days when Hilton and Spears would party together and had a close friendship, the two had certainly met. However, despite this connection, Kim has remained remarkably silent during the whole Free Britney movement, when celebrities around her rallied to voice their support for the toxic singer. And that was reason enough why fans of both stars had begun to rally on social media, encouraging Kim to give some support to the Free Britney movement. Some of you might remember that the likes of Madonna, Paris Hilton, and even Justin Timberlake had given support to Britney. And while many saw nothing but silence from Kardashian, many media outlets speculate that she had approached Britney in person. A source close to the reality star spoke of Closer magazine and said Kim knows she is going through hell and that her situation is like a prison sentence. It seems that the pop princess' heartbreaking statement struck a chord with Kim, who, as we mentioned before, had already been known for supporting victims inside of prisons, and according to the same publication, she had let the singer know that she would do everything she could to help her win her battle. The magazine had also emphasized that Kim can benefit from her involvement in this tremendous legal battle against Britney's father, Jamie Spears. The magazine quoted an insider who said, having such a high-profile name attached to the legal team would give Britney's case even more publicity. But allegedly, Spears had agreed to have the one and only Kim Kardashian on her defense team. Well, in Hollywood anything can happen, and more on that in a moment. Regardless of her controversial private life and reality show, the fact is that in the past, Kim has been a strong advocate for social justice and prison reform. So as far as anyone is concerned, Ms. Kardashian could be taking matters into her own hands right now without flaunting it on social media for everyone to see. While the source's reports are unconfirmed at the moment, it would not be a surprise to fans of the diva if she had chosen to remain silent about the whole Free Britney movement, because it could be seen as a conflict of interest in case she really has made a decision to give Britney some legal aid. As we mentioned before, Britney and Kim are no strangers because of Paris Hilton. The two had been photographed together in the past on several occasions. Kim has introduced her during some events and had also called her a friend. And in addition to the above, Khloe Kardashian presented the X Factor back when Spears was a judge in 2012. But despite all this, has Kim kept totally quiet about Spears' guardianship? Well, no. Back when the Framing Britney documentary had come out, she had taken to her social media to voice her opinion by writing, "No one deserves to be treated with such cruelty or judgment as entertainment. What's more interesting is that, per Closer magazine, Britney had given Kim the green light for her to help in whatever way she can and asked her to email her attorney Samuel Ingham, and that she is very thankful for the reality star's support. If this turns out to be true, many say that taking on a controversial case like this reminds them of her father, Rob Kardashian's O.J. Simpson case that had rocked the entire nation. Though obviously, here it is worth pointing out that both have been controversial for completely different reasons. And if she will be successful with helping the singer, it will definitely give her a big boost in her position as a future lawyer. Regarding the situation, Britney had also stated on her social media that the way the media play a major role in her life can be very traumatizing and can break even the strongest person. Though in addition to the above, there may be something a little darker that may link the two women, and the thing that might have stopped Kim from being so vocal about her friend's case was none other than Brit's former business manager Lou Taylor, who has been supportive of the idea of Britney Spears being her conservator. And what does that have anything to do with Kim? Well, he also has his hands in many other businesses, which include the Jenners, Travis Scott, Priyanka Chopra Jonas, Steven Tyler, Mary J. Blige, Meghan Trainor and Jason Derulo. So his ties to one of the world's most famous families could have potentially had some kind of influence over Kim's actions. It is safe to say that if any speculations and gossip that we have talked about were to be true, there could be an unexpected twist in the whole case of trying to get Britney either out of her conservatorship or to simply have her dad removed as her conservator, because as many had pointed out, no one deserves to live a life controlled by someone else and not even being able to make decisions about their own body or visit a doctor. But curious, naturally opinions are completely divided on the internet, although it is indisputable that fans are calling for Kim Kardashian to get involved and to help out. Others are thinking that involving a celebrity such as Kim could spoil everything that Britney has achieved in terms of getting her voice heard after many years of being too scared to do so. Some had commented that involving a reality star such as Kardashian could turn the womanizing singer's battle into a show and not a fight for freedom. So what do you think? If the rumors are true, do you believe that the Skims founder will help the pop princess because of her tremendous influence, or will she spoil her progress in her quest for freedom? Regardless, Britney's pleas to end the conservatorship are still being weighed by the judge, and now her fans are busy non-stop calling the world's biggest celebrities to speak out to free her. She in fact is putting together a very good team to put an end to her nightmare, and this alleged team is made up of experts even in the field of criminology. So curious, do you think that Kim Kardashian and her influence in social media could be helpful to Britney Spears if she is involved? Do you think the reality star will use this to her advantage? Would you like Kim to be on the toxic singer's defense team? Do you think that the Kardashians and Lou Taylor being in business is the reason for her silence? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and as always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our future videos. Until next time.